Doane University is a liberal arts school in Crete, Nebraska. We are 25 miles southwest of Lincoln. We have a traditional residential campus of just under 900 students. We have about 2,500 students total with graduate and online students. We were building a new residence hall, and in some of the design meetings, we had folks step up and say that we would like this experience to be digital first and get rid of keys. So Mobile Credential was key for us. So Doane University made a decision to use Transact in June of 2023, and we had an opening of our residence hall in January of 2024. So we had a very quick turnaround to get Mobile Credential and Lenel S2, door access, all of those things up and running. In the first year, we've printed less than 30 plastic cards for our students. So 95% of our students are using Mobile Credential. I also am a pole vault coach on the track team, and I get to hear from my athletes all the time how great it is to not have keys, be able to use their phone. One of my women pole vaulter loves that she can have it on her watch at all times, doesn't even have to pull her phone out to open her door. So our goal was to implement Cloud POS in January of 2024. And our key there was to make sure that we used our solution and your solution so that our students could use Mobile Credential at the dining hall just like they did in the residence halls for door access. Before Cloud POS, there were always lines outside the dining hall waiting to scan, waiting to get in, waiting to pay for food. And now the line is up closer towards the food and in other spots. So we know that we're line busting right now. The slowness isn't at the point of sale spot, it's past that. The greatest thing is no matter what obstacle we've had, we've always been able to come up with a solution. We've always found something that would help us be innovative, help us with the student experience, help us with making our students' lives better.